Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best wire stripping machines 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Automatic cable wire stripping machine for copper scrap. Automatic wire stripping machine designed for recycling copper cable scrap. Built with alloy steel for durability, it efficiently peels and strips a variety of cable types. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Electric wire stripping machine 1 to 25 mm cable stripper, reliable 60W/750W wire stripping machine for copper and aluminum cable recycling. With adjustable stripping capacity, it's designed for efficient wire recovery work. Number 3. VEVOR electric wire stripping machine 1.5 to 38 mm cable stripper, powerful wire stripper with 11 channels, capable of handling cables from 1.5 to 38 mm, built with durable acrylic and aluminum materials. It includes a blade for efficient copper recycling. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Pneumatic electric wire peeling machine 305/310, compact, automatic wire stripping machine suitable for small power cords and cables. Pneumatic operation ensures smooth peeling for cable sizes up to 310 mm, making it ideal for precision work. Number 1. VEVOR electric wire stripping machine 1.5 to 25 mm cable stripper, high-efficiency wire stripping machine featuring 3 feeding holes and 180W power. It strips wires at a speed of 60 feet per minute, ideal for recycling scrap copper and various wire types. Thanks for watching.